Hello and welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I'm Disha Panchal with an update on India weather. Rain alerts continue as heat wave grips parts of North India. India is experiencing a sharp contrast in weather conditions today, with heavy monsoon rainfall affecting southern and northeastern states while intense heat continues across parts of northern and northwestern India. According to the India Meteorological Department, the southwest monsoon is continuing its gradual advance across the country, bringing widespread showers and thunderstorms to several regions. At the same time, heat wave conditions remain a major concern across parts of Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana, and adjoining areas of northwest India. Let's take a look at where the most significant weather impacts are expected. Across southern India, Kerala, coastal Karnataka, and parts of Tamil Nadu are forecast to receive moderate to heavy rainfall. Some locations could experience intense downpours leading to waterlogging, localized flooding, and travel disruptions. Authorities are also monitoring landslide-prone hilly regions where persistent rainfall may increase the risk of slope instability. Meanwhile, the northeastern states continue to experience active monsoon conditions. Assam, Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, and Tripura are expected to see periods of heavy rain and thunderstorms as moisture-rich winds remain firmly established across the region. In contrast, many northern and northwestern states are dealing with soaring temperatures. Heat wave conditions continue across parts of Rajasthan and neighboring regions, where temperatures have climbed well above seasonal averages. Residents are being advised to stay hydrated, avoid prolonged outdoor activity during peak afternoon hours, and follow official heat safety guidance. The National Capital Region has also seen highly variable weather recently. Thunderstorms and rain have provided temporary relief from the heat, but warm and humid conditions continue to affect daily life across Delhi and surrounding areas. Looking at some of India's major cities, Mumbai remains warm and humid with occasional showers. Chennai is experiencing cloudy skies and rain chances. Bangalore continues to enjoy relatively pleasant temperatures, while Kolkata and Hyderabad are seeing a mix of warmth, humidity, and the possibility of thunderstorms. Looking ahead, meteorologists expect the southwest monsoon to continue advancing across additional parts of central India during the coming days. While the seasonal rains will bring relief to many regions, forecasters warn that heavy rainfall, thunderstorms, lightning, and localized flooding will remain possible as the monsoon progresses. That's your latest India weather update. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more weather news and forecast updates from India and around the world. Thanks for watching and stay safe.